We're at the Union Freshman Academy at our new eSport arena. We're having an open house, so we're going to have open gameplay with everyone. Parents, family members, faculty are welcome to attend. We're going to have free food and drinks. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Oh my, gotcha!
It's giving kids a school by giving them something to be excited for at the end of the day. We obviously want to graduate 100% of these kids and get them college and career ready. Esports is just a new and upcoming industry that we are super excited to implement into our curriculum. The thing about gaming is that it brings people together, and that is the one thing that we are really trying to implement here. And it allows kids of no matter what they're interested in to find something and find common ground to build friendships and really have a solid community. I'm really excited to be the head coach this year. We're having a lot of fun, and I'm super excited to see these kids compete, but also to see where these kids end up in the future.
I started out last year, and this year I'm liking even more since it expanded a lot more. And it's great to see new faces and new players involved in just the school in general. It's amazing. It wasn't here last year. We actually had the innovation lab. This year we came straight to this room, which was really surprising. This is just way better.
Wow, you guys did an amazing job.
This used to be the old orchestra room, and we thought it'd be a great place for the arena. We have over 20 computers here. It's filled with other consoles as well, like the Nintendo Switch and Xboxes.
No. How did I make that? He just did a great section. Oh gosh.
I'm on the Valorant Overwatch team. Tryouts went really good. I'm a starter for the Valorant team, and we played BA last week and won. And that was a lot of fun. The arena is just awesome. Definitely got to see like what people are playing with and what Union has compared to like other schools. I think that'd be really cool. Just playing the games, everything's so much smoother, and being able to watch it on the TVs and stuff like that is just really cool.
I hope that the kids really just have something to lean back on and to really look back on their high school years and to really enjoy that they did this, and to know that these friendships last forever, and that they're really thankful for all the skills that they learned in this program, and that they can take the program to the next level.
Everyone's just so cool and easily connected.
It feels really nice to be part of something that represents the school.